This is how to make an animation for your Roblox game. The first step on making your animation is to get a rig. Once you have your rig, open up the animation editor and click on your rig. Name it whatever you want. And once you've done that, this should appear. This bar of numbers and a line. You can click on the numbers to select when the rotation will happen in the avatar, and you can select parts of the avatar or rig and move it. You can change how much it moves by at the top with the rotation, and you can, if you select it and then right click, you have all these options: cut, copy. Once you're done making your animation, you can test it by pressing the buttons over here, like the play button, or you can loop it. That's a fast wave. So once you're done with your animation and you like how it looks, you can go over to the little dots next to the name of it and publish to Roblox. Once you've done that, this menu should pop up and you should press submit. And then you will get this number, and then you just have to copy it so you can make it so it plays during the game. Now close the animation editor and go inside of your rig and put in a script. This is where it's going to be played. So you want to get the humanoid of the character, and you want to get the animation, which you can do by just putting the numbers you got into a variable. And if you copied the numbers, you can press Control V, and to load in the animation, you have to make another variable, and then you have to get the humanoid, and then you have to load animation. You get that from the semicolon or the two dots above each other, and then load animation, and then you have to put in the animation numbers, which is the variable you set before. And when you have that done, you can do whatever with it. If you to play it, you can press load and then have the two dots and play. Okay, there is an easier way we can do this instead of having the numbers there, because there's a problem. If you go into the rig and add an animation, yeah, that's what it's called, an animation, and you go into it, you can put the numbers you have there and press enter, and then you just have to get set the variable of what was the numbers to the animation, and that should work instead of before. And then you have your guy waving. And make sure you are the owner of the game, or you can't make an animation for it that will load for everybody else. Please consider subscribing for more content like this.